Yo guys, welcome back to another trading recap. So, today we made this one trade during New York. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So basically, we hold up, let me just okay, so our bias is kind of bearish because we're in this equilibrium in this fair value gap right here on the 1 hour. Okay? So we're looking a little bit bearish, right? And I know like we're in weekly equilibrium and stuff, and we swept these, weekly lows and stuff, but we haven't really we haven't shown any signs of like bullishness so far on like the higher time frames. So yeah, we're just seeing how price wanted to play out here, and let's just delete some stuff like this. Yeah, so we wanted to see how price wanted to play out here, and we see market opened. And bro, on NQ we kind of dump, and then on ES we're kind of like staying up here. So it's weird, bro. We're like on opposite sides. Like I don't know, but basically we formed this bearish SMT. Let me think. We formed this bearish SMT from this high to this high, right? We got a lower high on NQ. And then on ES, we have this higher high here. So it's looking pretty bearish. So I'm going to be looking for some shorts. And basically, so yeah, let's just, let me think. Oh yeah, okay, so we came up, right? And we swept this high on ES. So I'm like, okay, maybe now we'll see some type of movement to the downside. Because on NQ, we already came down and took out this low here. So I was expecting ES to do the same thing. So yeah, we swept those highs there. Okay, and then along with that, boom, we can draw equilibrium. We're in equilibrium too. So I see this inverse here, right? So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna just wait for a better entry. Boom, come back, hit equilibrium, hit this fair value gap. So I'm like, okay, let me enter off that. And yeah, we set our TP. This would have been TP1 right here, and then TP2 at this low here. And basically, I mean, yeah, we just didn't want to, I don't know, we just didn't want to respect the SMT. And I think something that we really needed to break through was this 1 minute fair value gap. It showed just a ton of resistance off of this right here. This 1 minute gap, there's so much resistance. Yeah, I mean, we tapped into it, came back up, tapped into it here, came off it, tapped into it here, we came off it. Like, this just resistance here, just shows, there's a lot of resistance there. And then, yeah, so we just got stopped out. We put our stop above this inverse. Um, so yeah, not much to say there. I don't think it was the worst trade, but clearly it wasn't the right trade because we wanted to come up more, and it looks like we're gonna probably continue up throughout the day. I mean, we've just been consolidating kind of since market open. We had this big down candle, but I mean, we just came right back up. So yeah, guess we'll see what market does from here. I mean, I'm not gonna be trading. So this is the end of the week, and we're currently up $343, which is definitely less than I would like to be up, but it's whatever. At least we're in the green so far. So yeah, this week wasn't the worst. I did learn a lot because I realized we gotta just stop over leveraging and be more patient. That's the main thing. I realized we gotta be more patient, especially during Asian session. If I can't become patient during Asian session, then I'm gonna not trade it. But I mean, like yesterday, we didn't take any trades during Asian session, which was good because I'm like, I don't see a setup I like, so I'm just not gonna trade it. So yeah, not much to say there. Um, just a small loss today. Hold up, let's cruise like this or something. Yeah, but not the best, not the worst trade. So yeah, we'll see. I guess what market does, and we'll wait for Sunday Asian session. See how market closes. Chart for then we'll chart and try to find a setup on Sunday. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next trading recap.